A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for bat, who flies overhead. C is for cat, with eyes that glow. D is for door that creaks real slow. E is for eyeball, round and white. F is for fog that rolls at night. G is for ghost who says boo-hoo. H is for hat, a witch is one too. I is for Inky, the black little bug. J is for jack-o'-lantern with a grin and a shrug. K is for keys that rattle and ring. L is for lanterns that softly swing. M is for moon up high in the sky. N is for noises that whisper by. O is for owl, who hoots in the tree. P is for pumpkin, smile and see. Q is for clove by a candle's glow. R is for raven, with wings like snow. S is for skeleton, dancing around. T is for toad, hopping on the ground. U is for under the bed, don't peek. V is for vampire, but friendly, not weak. W is for web spun, silky and neat. X marks the box full of ghostly treats. Y is for yawn in the dark of night. Z is for zoom, a witch's flight.